Clearing the air, in case versus if statements in English. Hello, language explorers. Welcome to another exciting video in our series on conversational English. Today, we're delving into a fascinating area of English language learning. Indirect requests and offers, with a specific focus on in case statements. We will distinguish between in case and if statements, which can often confuse English learners. So, get ready to navigate the world of in case and if statements. In case is used when we want to do something in preparation for something that might happen. It's a way of taking precaution or ensuring we're ready for a possible scenario. An example of in case in a sentence might be, I'll bring an umbrella in case it rains. In this sentence, the speaker is bringing an umbrella as a precaution, in preparation for the possibility that it might rain. On the other hand, if is used to talk about things that might happen, and then what will happen as a result. It sets up a condition and a consequence. An example of if in a sentence might be, I'll bring an umbrella if it's raining. In this sentence, the speaker will only bring the umbrella if it's already raining. To summarize the main differences, in case is used to talk about doing something in preparation for something that might happen. It's like a preventive measure or safeguard. However, if is used to indicate that something will be done as a response to something that is happening or might happen. Remember that these subtle differences can significantly affect the meaning of your sentence, so it's important to use in case and if appropriately. To really internalize this difference, let's do some practice. Try to create your own sentences using in case and if. Remember, with in case, you're preparing for a possible future event, and with if, you're responding to a possible event or situation. Share your sentences in the comments section below. And there you have it, language explorers. We've unraveled the mystery of in case versus if statements. We hope that this video has been helpful and that you now feel more confident using these statements in your English conversations. As always, keep practicing and exploring the language. See you in the next video, and happy language learning!